How many of these did you buy?
Holy mackerel. Hey, what's going on here?
God, that camera guy is around again.
I got just a little bit of battery left.
Just a tiny bit of battery.
What's happening? I heard the Chamber of Commerce has something going on over here at the Lincoln Airport.
Yep.
Huh? You want to tell me about it?
No. The
What?
1929
Huh?
Ford Tri-Motor.
What year is it?
1929 Ford Tri-Motor.
That is awesome.
One of the few left of its kind.
And what are we here for?
We're here for the Lincoln Area Chamber of Commerce and City of Lincoln mixer.
Twilight on the tarmac.
Tarmac.
Nice.
We're twilighting on.
Hey. Yeah, check this thing out. Look at this. This is at the Lincoln Airport right now. EAA, Spirit of Aviation.
They were getting 8, 9 knots.
Holy cow. Yes. This is put on by the Lincoln Area Chamber of Commerce. It's a little mixer for their members and also for the community. Okay? A good time to network with other people in the Chamber of Commerce. And they do stuff like this all the time. Cool. Ooh, they said I could go inside. Prepare for takeoff. Look it. Holy cow, I'm in a cardboard box, it seems like. Wow. Prepared for takeoff. Yep. Okay, fly the Ford. You know what? You can actually pay to fly this thing. You know, they'll take you up for a ride. I think it's like $75. Isn't it $75? 70?
70.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just helping. I'm going to be helping set this up. And they're going to have a little mixer here tonight. You got to check this out. Oh yeah. When's the last time you've seen something like this? Yes. Lincoln Area Chamber of Commerce. They're having a little function here, Twilight, at the tarmac, Lincoln Airport. Look at that. It's a jet engine plane. You seen one like this before? I don't think they have very many of these. There's only 1 or 2 of these in existence. I was at an EAA meeting one time, and I think this is the same one with my pops. We're not here just to see that. We're here to see this big plane over here. People can dress up. It's the 20s. It's the roaring 20s again. Peter Petty.
And now the saxophone is the Otis one.
So help her. No, seriously, look at the line.
I'm needed up front. Hi, Auntie Marilyn.
Michael.
Glad you could make it.
Yeah, it's fun. Music.
You having a good time?
No, I don't want to be on the camera again.
Let's keep this do-galloping going. It's called Jungle Nights. Harlem. Play around the clock, you know they all love to jam. Indians are the Amazon, the beach on fire, and all of them they are gone, man, gone. From the equator up to the pole, everybody's ringing that rock and roll from the east to the west. From the coast to the north, yeah, just this thing that folks dig. Now that's jazz. That's jazz.
Let's go sideways. Slide in. Yep.
Hey, where's this flight going to?
Excuse me. I don't know.
No, you're fine.
I need to go.
Steve's in charge.
Hey, I'm sitting in the seat that Johnny Depp sat in. That Public Enemies. Right there. Yes, indeedy. Yo. Hey, you know what? I wish you were here, but you're not. And these are the fun types of things that the Chamber has going on all the time. They may never have a tarmac, Twilight on the tarmac again, but they got other things coming up. Peter Petty, this guy is really good. If you ever get a chance to watch him, check him out.
We're going to see you at the next show, all right? All right. Thanks very much, Mike. Twilight on the tarmac forever.
Yeah. If I was a betting man, I'd think she just got off that plane. Wow, another day is done. Thanks, Chamber, for another great event. Good night.